Want to snag that perfect eBay find without breaking the bank today? Let's dive into how you can use Klarna on eBay, step by step, making your online shopping smoother and more budget-friendly. First, browse eBay as you normally would search for the item you've been eyeing. Once you've found the perfect product, head to the checkout page. On the checkout page, look for Klarna among the listed payment options. If you don't see it immediately, it may be because the seller doesn't offer Klarna directly. In this case, you can use Klarna by first paying with PayPal if it's an option in the checkout. Alternatively, Klarna's app allows you to generate a one-time card, which you can use to pay if the seller accepts credit and debit card. If the seller accepts debit or credit cards, open your Klarna app and generate a single-use card. You can specify the exact amount that you need the card to cover. Now, go back to the eBay checkout page and paste the single-use card details and make sure the billing address matches the one in your Klarna account. After completing your purchase, you can manage your payments directly within the Klarna app. The app allows you to view your purchase history, payment schedule, and even set up automatic payments. Check these details regularly to avoid any late fees and keep your account in good standing. That's it. You've successfully used Klarna on eBay with responsible management. Klarna can be a fantastic tool for budgeting your online shopping. Happy shopping!